Super Walmart. Going to get the food for camping. We're at the Fredericksburg KOA park. Over there is the bathrooms and stuff. They got a pond with a sprinkler and little rowboats. Swing. Same old tent, same junk. Stop it. Fire. Camping with Bay. Got a fire going. Same old junk. Got the car here. No, you gotta do it, babe! You gotta do it the other way! What are you doing? You suck!
You gotta have grill marks on it because the other way they won't have grill marks.
Alright, well they're gonna roll off. So, we are camping because of my ankles. I really have cabin fever, so instead of hiking, we opted for camping, and Bay's never been camping, so it was a perfect opportunity to take him and go.
That's yours.
He's currently burning hot dogs. It was funny because we went up to the little camp store to see what all they had, and the guy was like, "It's gonna rain tonight, you know, you might want a cabin, you might want to pay $25 more," and I was like, "What? Because of rain? What? No. No, we got a tent, it's waterproof. Why would we pay $25 more?" Sounded a little crazy to me. We had this cool stream by us. I've only been camping, I want to say like 2 or 3 times, and the one time it was really cold and all I had was my summer sleeping bag. It was a lot of fun, but it was like 26 degrees out and it was snowing, so hopefully this camping trip goes a lot better than that one. But this KOA is pretty nice. I mean, it was close to home. They have a pool, it's not open yet. When I was researching like campgrounds or sites to go to, pretty much all of them are closed until April 1st. So it's March 26th, I think, and this is the only one that's open. I was gonna try out Luray Caverns, but I just figured just go camp. But they have little swings everywhere and a pond, and it's all kind of cool. So. Bobbers in the trees. Catch and release pond. People are catching trees. It's morning time. It's all foggy. It's almost 7 o'clock. It's like 10 minutes till. It rained last night. I didn't learn my lesson. I had to pee so bad last night, and I was in my sleeping bag, and I was like, no, I can hold it, I can hold it. And then, sure enough, 3 a.m. I was like, I have to go. And then I didn't go, I was holding it, now I really have to go. So I'm walking to the bathroom. Here we go. Maybe they have coffee ready. That'd be great. Ow. Went to Walmart, got some breakfast stuff. Gonna make some pancakes. This is the process. And little pancakes.
Little cute one.
Stop. They have a bubble.
You said you gotta let all the bubbles at the top?
But I'm not really holding it on the flame, I'm just holding it above it because I feel like it's already hot. It's probably gonna burn. Okay, pause it. The pancakes are complete. But you see, it's burnt right here. I think that's because the thing's so little and the pan's so big. But I kind of just held the pan the whole time and moved it around on the burner. But it's ready. Got pancakes. Got music. We're good. It's a good day camping. A lot of people left from yesterday.